We got our totally certified. Ten packs per box, 6 cards per pack, 1 auto, 2 mems per box on average. Pack number 1. We start off with Miles Bridges, Kawhi Leonard. We got Zach Edey, red Andrew Wiggins. That was going to be numbered out of 149. Blue Dort, Patrick Ewing. Pack number 2. Amen Thompson, Russell Westbrook. Our first of the mems, that is Cody Williams, fabric of the game, rookie for the Jazz. Then we have Alexander Sarr, Dominique Wilkins, or Ryan Dunn. Anthony Simons, Keontae George, the mighty coming up, Donovan Mitchell. That one is out of 99. 88 out of 99. Kobe White on the pink die cut out of 125. Going to the Bulls spot. Steph Curry. And we have Hughes Messi. Let's top load what we have so far. We'll continue on. Still, you have time to get your guesses in for the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Get those guesses in. This was out of 75 on the mid. 48 out of 75 on the Cody Williams. Next pack. Hey guys, Top Chrome Cosmic Basketball's up next. We do have spots in half the breaks tonight. The link is in the chat. There's a code there to get 10% off. If you copy and paste it, use it at checkout. There's Franz Wagner. Emmanuel Quickly. There's Drew Holiday. Malik Monk on the purple out of 49. Brandon Ingram. And we got Dennis Rodman. G.G. Jackson. There's Giannis. Stephen Castle on the certified bucket. Dylan Jones out of 75. Kashawn George. R.J. Barrett. Jordan Poole. Josh Giddey. The mighty. That is Giannis. That one is not numbered. Franz Wagner on the die cut out of 125. John Stockton. Tyler Smith. We got 4 packs left. Shaedon Sharpe. Malcolm Brogdon. Joel Embiid on the gold team. A blue Jabari Smith out of 99 for the Rockets. Matas Bazulis. Austin Reeves. Last 3 packs coming up. Dante DiVincenzo. Malik Monk. There's a Bronny James blue. That is out of 49. We pulled the 1 of 1. 44 out of 49 of the certified bucket. Jaime Jaquez. Deron Holmes. Brendan Podziemski. Last 2 packs coming up. Ja Morant. Benedict Mathurin. Got Pascal Siakam on the fabric of the game. That is out of 75 for the Pacers. Anthony Black on the red parallel out of 149. Johnny Frumpy. That's Kevin Garnett. And our final pack of the break. Again, 23-24 Topps Cosmic Basketballs coming up next. There's Bam Adebayo. Naz Reid. Our auto is a gold team auto of David Robinson. Nice hit there for the Spurs spot. David Robinson auto on the gold team. It's going to be numbered as well. Let's top load it first here. Numbered out of 49. 49 out of 49. David Robinson. Nice hit for the Spurs. Then we have Devin Booker. Bobby Clintman. Bobby Clintman. LaMelo Ball. Let's top load recap. And we'll move on to the next break. That was a nice box of certified. We ended with the David Robinson auto. We got the link in the chat. It's pinned to the chat if you guys want to grab spots in the rest of the breaks tonight. Use that code. What was it? Hump Day Breaks at checkout to get your 10% off any of those remaining teams. Here to top load, we'll do our recap. Here's the Malik Monk on the purple die cut. That one is out of 49. Dylan Jones out of 75. Franz Wagner out of 125. Jabari Smith out of 99. Bronny James out of 49 for the Lakers spot. Anthony Black out of 149. Andrew Wiggins out of 149. Donovan Mitchell out of 99. Kobe White out of 125. Fabric of the game, Cody Williams out of 75. Fabric of the game, Pascal Siakam out of 75. Gold team, David Robinson auto for the Spurs. That was 49 out of 49. That's going to do it for our first break. Nice box to get us started. We got 6 more breaks tonight, guys. 23-24 Topps Chrome Cosmic Basketball is up next. This one is full. I'm going to update the title here. We do have some NBA breaks with spots available tonight if anybody wants to grab those.